PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides reliable and quality commercial HVAC replacement services in Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania. Our technicians are skilled and qualified, and we provide exceptional service for commercial locations. We take pleasure in our job and work hard to guarantee that your HVAC system is working at top efficiency. We service all makes and models of HVAC systems. Contact our commercial HVAC replacement experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC replacement expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How frequently must commercial HVAC filters be replaced? Quarterly replacement or cleaning of HVAC filters is recommended in relatively clean environments, such as office buildings. What HVAC filters require replacement? You should replace pleated air filters and furnace filters every 90 days. The longer a filter remains in place, the more grime, pollen and pollutants are captured. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd office? Our commercial HVAC experts have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bala Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, and Overbrook, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC replacement office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard No. 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-HVAC-service.